Today we're talking about how to make the switch from Excel, and I'm here to show you how simple and easy it really is. Well, first of all, people ask, why in the world would I switch from Excel? I mean, a lot of people use it on the team or in the organization. Well, why we want to do that is because with a project management online tool, we get better reporting features. We also get real-time dashboard visibility, which is important to you as a project manager and your team to do things more effectively. Well, first of all, what do you need? You need three things. First, you need your current data in Excel, in your Excel spreadsheet. And before we import that, you want to be sure to scrub the data, you want to validate it, you want to dedupe it, meaning remove duplicates. You want to finalize that data. You also want to put a version control on it and archive it so you know that this is the last file we imported. You also need your project management online software tool. And you want to create beforehand your project file that you're going to import into. And then I want you to have a stopwatch because I want you to time how fast this really is. Okay, so there's a little BS that goes into this, and it's what I call the be sures. So we have 4 be sures we want to do. So we want to be sure to communicate the switch date to everyone impacted. Let them know in advance. We want to be sure to train all the users on the new tool before we switch. They need to know, how do I log in? How do I get access to it? They need to know where it is, where the data is that they need to update. You also want to be sure to provide access to everyone who needs to edit or view the data. You can actually set permissions. So some people you can allow to edit and change the data, and then some people you can get access just to view it, which is great for different types of members on your team or on your project. And last but not least, you want to be sure to create a process to update the data. You need to specify who updates the data. You need to specify when they update it and how. There's a best practice, I think, that we need to remember is what we're trying to do is we're trying to empower everyone who needs the data. And so how do we do this? So there are a few simple steps to import the files and auto-populate the tool. So number 1, you log into your project management online tool. Then you go to the project file that you created. Then you click import. You just literally click the button and poof, it's there. And then you go in and you verify the data and confirm everything transitioned. Then you go in and make any updates. And I mean, these updates are small. It may be something as simple as formatting, something like a date. Is the date displaying in the way that you want it? If you have numbers in there, how do you want the numbers to display? Then you create links. What I love about the project management software online tools is you can actually link tasks and activities to templates or spreadsheets or other type things that they need to access. Then once you do that, you test and make sure that data is working properly. And then you compare and validate. So take the Excel spreadsheet that you use to import, and then you compare what you have in the project management online tool and see, do they look the same? And then you notify everyone of a successful transition just to give everybody a comfort level. And then you get everyone hands-on. Get everyone hands-on as soon as possible and show them, if your team members are remote, maybe you can do a Skype session or a web meeting and navigate through there and show them how to access it and how to do what they need to do. Wow everyone with the pizzazz of this machine, because different than Excel, a project management software tool can do really cool things that you can customize. So show them how easy it is to view reports, create reports, and look at their dashboards. Show them how to customize their data so that they see only the data that they want to see. And then last, remembering, empower all. Everyone who's on the team, empower them with data and capability, and don't overwhelm them. So if you need any help switching from Excel, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.